Hello, this is Rajat Bose coming back to you with some stock recommendations. This time we have some bank stocks to offer. The recommendations are for the short to medium term. The first stock is PNB. In today's recommendations, we have chosen two public sector banks and two private banks. First stock is PNB. PNB, the chart formation suggests that PNB has taken support on the 200 exponential moving average. That was about in early April. After that, it has started rising. The most important feature of PNB's movement is that PNB is showing a bullish crossover with 9-day as well as the 50-day moving average. 9-day moving average is piercing the 50-day moving average from below. You can see the chart that is there on your screen. Now, PNB looks pretty good. I would say that you put a stop loss at 45.90 on closing price basis, and on the upside PNB 59 to 61 would be your target level. PNB is on a recovery trail and PNB is likely to do very well. If you want to hold it for the longer term, that is also possible. You can actually see much higher levels, but suffice for the moment that let us see PNB crossing 60, we would come back again to review the stock. PNB is a buy, so you put a stop loss below 45.90 and target would be 60. Our next stock is State Bank of India. The salient feature in State Bank's chart is that State Bank is about to cross its critical resistance level around say 570. You've seen that in the past State Bank was unable to take out 567, 568 kind of resistance level. This time with other bank stocks moving up and also State Bank gathering momentum, chances are that we would see State Bank joining the party, and if it takes out this critical resistance level of 570, then you buy. This time you put a stop loss below 539. And State Bank on the way up, I'm expecting it to touch first 589 and then 620. 620 would be a major target for State Bank. So you can buy State Bank on any dip, but keep a stop loss at 539 on closing price basis. We have already done two stocks, and the third stock and the fourth stock, there is one commonality. Not just one commonality, there would be two commonalities. Both are private sector banks and both are leading banks, and both are showing a saucer pattern. The saucer pattern is a regular bullish pattern. It takes time to reach its target, but it definitely meets its target. Rather, most of the time it meets its target. So Axis Bank, we are looking at higher levels of 969, but prior to that there would be an earlier target of 909, and you put a stop loss below 863. 863 should be your stop loss on closing price basis, and this saucer pattern along with the bullish crossovers of moving averages suggest that is actually headed for higher levels. In fact, the bank nifty has given a clear signal that bank stocks are moving up. Now we come to our final stock, that is ICICI Bank. This bank has led the rally so far, and this bank is also going to lead the rally because its formation looks pretty good. It is not breaking the trend line that you can see on the chart. Only once it broke, but after that it moved up, and it is also not breaking the 9-day exponential moving average. It is headed higher. It is headed higher. It is going to go up. The target that we have set for the medium term is 1025, and you put a stop loss at 879. 879 on closing price basis, you put a stop loss. First target would be 938. Once 938 is taken out, the other targets are 975 and 1028. ICICI Bank 1028 is the medium term target, and the short term target is 938. 975 and 1025 are the medium term targets. Again, here also we see the similar kind of bullish crossovers in moving averages, and the stock is gathering steam. The saucer pattern is maintained. The trend line is also maintained. So ICICI Bank is actually going to perform. That's what we tend to think. From a technical point of view, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, State Bank and Punjab National Bank, they look pretty good, and they are going to give you good returns. That's what I expect. I hope that they perform really well. Thank you for being with me. From now on, we are planning to offer you stock recommendations every week, and there would be 3-4 stocks that we would discuss. In today's recommendations, the stocks that we have discussed, I do not have any personal positions in them, and I and my immediate family do not hold any stock, and these stocks are based on technical studies. These stock recommendations have been given on the basis of technical studies, but all the 4 stocks that we have discussed, the bank stocks, their fundamentals are also pretty good. Thank you for being with me. Give your comments, and if you like, please subscribe to my channel.